welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back if you're a returning OG. My name is Keyana, and today I will be walking you guys through how I do my favorite lip combo. Y'all, if I do say so myself, this lip combo is so freaking bomb because for one, it can be worn with any makeup look. You can wear it with a crazy funky colorful eyeshadow look, or you can wear it with a soft glam, you know, neutral brown tone, you know, nude tone eyeshadow look. Or you can just wear this every single day if you're not the type of person that wears, you know, makeup, but you want to have, you know, popping lips, honey, you know, that popping gloss look like your girl is rocking right now. This lip combo is for you. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So crew, my go-to lippy literally can go with any makeup look. It can go with a fun creative glam makeup look. It can go with a neutral makeup look. Or you can literally just wear this on an everyday basis if you don't want to wear any makeup and you just want your lips to be popping. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing that I do for my go-to lippy is I take my favorite, like literally my all-time favorite pencil, which is from Wet n Wild. It is the Color Icon Kohl eyeliner pencil in the shade Simma Brown. Now y'all, when I say this pencil is so freaking amazing, first of all, it is so affordable. Literally, you can find this pencil anywhere for either $1 or under $1. And I purchased this pencil from like Walgreens, CVS, Target, any type of like, you know, drugstore place like that. So I really love the texture of this pencil and just the pigment of it. It's a really nice rich brown, and I feel like this just complements melanin skin so well, and it is just overall it's such a bomb pencil. I have so many of these. Every time I go to the store, I'm grabbing them because they're so affordable and they last a really long time. Like, I think I want to say maybe it takes me like roughly like 4 or 5 months to go through one pencil. So like literally I really do be just having hella pencils here just for no reason, but I just be so scared. I'm like, I can't lose or I can't run out of my Wet n Wild pencil. So the first thing I'm gonna go in and do is align the bottom of my lip. I always start with the bottom. I don't know why, but that's just my starting point. So let's get straight into it. And I go a little bit underneath my lip because I do overdraw my lips just a tiny little bit, just a tiny little bit, because I have little lips, so you know, I just want to enhance them just a little bit. Okay, so I go in with my lip pencil, and I don't know if y'all can see, but like this is just gliding onto my lips. Okay, just gliding. So there's no tugging, no none of that. It just is so smooth. So here is the first step. Now I'm gonna smush my lips together, and that lets me know where I should place my lip liner at the top. Now, because I already said that I overdraw my lips, I'm gonna go just a little bit above that, and that is, you know, how I do the lining of my lips. So now I'm just gonna connect the top to my bottom. Okay, so my lips look a little something like this. So the next step is to blend my lips together. Now, if you want to, you can use a brush, you can use your finger, but I just use my lips and I just smush them together, and I just, you know, blend them out until they look as blended as I need them to be. So this is what I mean when I say smush. So I go like, so I open and close them a couple times, and I'm like literally moving my lips like together up and down, so that the line could look blended. So I don't know if you guys can see, but it is blending right before our eyes, okay? So I do that until I feel like it looks good enough. And then what I'm gonna go do is take my pencil again, and I'm just gonna go add a little bit more pigment to some areas where it just got a little bit too blended. and then do the same thing. So now that my lips look like this, they are blended the way I want them to, they are looking perfect. Now it is time to go into my lippy. So I have about 3 products that I use for my go-to lippy, but today I'm just going to be using, because this was the only one that I can find. I have a better one, but it's somewhere in a purse, but I can't find it. But it's from Wet n Wild. It's their Mega Last lip products. If I can find a picture of it, I'll put it on the screen. I'll list it down in the description box below as well if you guys want, like, you know, some options. But for today's video, I'm going to be using the Pro Luxe Matte Long Lasting Matte Lipstick in the shade Sorbet. And this is what this lipstick looks like. It is a nude lipstick. I hope you guys can see the color well. There we go. The camera's adjusting this a little bit. But it's just your nude pink, and I love this lippy product so much because even though it is matte, it doesn't make my lips feel overly dry. You feel me? Like, it still gives my lips a nice, you know, little hydrating feel to it. So I'm gonna take this lipstick and I'm gonna place this in the middle of my bottom lip. I always start with my bottom lip first. I don't know why, but that's just what I do. And I'm just gonna tap a little bit of product in the center and blend it out to the sides. So here's what my lips are giving right now. Then I'm gonna go in and smush my lips together. And then I'm just gonna go in and continue to do that until I have the color that I want. So here are my lips, y'all. And y'all see how it's just blending out so beautifully. I'm gonna pick up my pencil again and just go in and clean up any areas that need to be touched up just a little bit. So still smushing my lips together. I want to make sure that everything is blended. I do go in and touch up some areas. So this step, you don't want to add too much product because you don't want your lips to look like chapped and peeled. You don't want your product to be moving around too much. And that's why I say go in with a matte product. If you guys do decide to follow along with this tutorial, go in with a matte lipstick, because when you put it down on your lips, it's not gonna move that much. If you go in with like a liquid lipstick, it's gonna move and it's gonna be doing everything you don't want it to do. So with matte products, they kind of just, you know, once you put it where it's going and you blend it out, it's stuck, okay? So my lips look good. Now if you're the type of chick, the type of girly girl that loves to rock a matte lippy, you would just stop right here. But I am a glossy gal. In the words of my girl Stush, I'm a glossy gal. So I'm gonna go in with my favorite lip product at the moment, okay? Y'all, this lip product is so fucking bomb. Excuse my French, but it is so freaking bomb, and it comes from the drugstore. I am talking about the Lifter Maybelline New York Gloss in the shade Topaz. Y'all, I swear, if you love a Fenty Beauty's Gloss Bomb, this is literally a dupe. I promise you. So Topaz is a dupe for the Fenty Original Gloss Bomb. Let me see if you guys can see the color. Literally, it is the same, I promise y'all. It is the same product. Look, literally the colors are the same. The Topaz has a little bit more of an orangey tint, but listen, it is so bomb. I love the formula, like literally love, 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 love the formula. So I'm gonna take my lifter gloss and I'm going to go onto my bottom lip first and just apply a small amount to my lip. Don't want to overdo it at first because then your lip not gonna look cute. So that is my bottom lip, and then I'm gonna go on to the top And do the same to the top. Just add a little bit of product. And then smush my lips together then. Not doing too much because I don't want to mess up that nice blend I had already. But that is literally the final step to my lippy. And as y'all can see, I am giving. It is doing what it needs to, and my lips look so good. They give that glossy effect without having to pound on 10 pounds of lip gloss, you feel me? Like, this is just so gorgeous, and as you guys can see, it goes really nice with my eye look that I have now, and it goes well with any other eye look that you decide to do. If you want to play around with colors, this pairs well with colors. If you want to do like a soft glam neutral look, this looks amazing with soft glam, toned down browns, tans, those type of colors. It looks so bomb with that. And y'all, these products are so freaking affordable. The lifter gloss, I believe, retails for like $7 or $8. This Prolux Cosmetics matte lipstick, this retails for, I believe, $7 or $8 as well. And then this lip liner is so freaking affordable. It's literally $1 or cheaper. Like, come on now, baby. This lippy though is giving. And I just want to thank you guys so much for tuning in for today's upload. If you guys enjoyed this bomb tutorial, this bomb video, make sure you guys smash that like button down below. If you're not part of the crew and you're like already at the end of the video, baby, what are you doing? You probably was just so caught up watching me. I know, like, look, I'm serving, I'm giving looks today, honey. So it's okay. But before we head out, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications as well, so that you won't miss out on my next upload. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed. Once again, I will see you guys in my next upload. As always, be kind and be thankful.